This toner don't quit. HP 58X Black Cartridge prints 10K pages like a boss. No leaks, no drama. Say goodbye to smudgy prints, toner tantrums, and office chaos. The HP 58X Black High-Yield Toner Cartridge is not your average ink buddy, it's the MVP of high-volume printing. With a jaw-dropping yield of up to 10,000 crisp, jet black pages, this cartridge is built to hustle harder, longer, and cleaner. Whether you're printing tax docs, legal briefs, or memos for days, this toner keeps up like a caffeinated intern that never sleeps. Compatible with top-tier HP LaserJet Pro and Enterprise printers, it's the only cartridge that turns your basic printer into a printzilla. What sets it apart? It's the real deal, genuine HP-engineered magic, not a sketchy knockoff. HP's tamper-resistant chips and firmware don't just protect your printer from digital mischief, they keep your data locked tighter than your Wi-Fi password. Expect pro-level quality, razor-sharp text, and no toner leaks ruining your flow. It's a beast in performance, whisper-quiet in action, and absolutely ruthless with page precision. While others fizzle out halfway through a print job, this champ delivers page after flawless page, print envy guaranteed. Let's talk money. With its high-yield output, the HP 58X saves you a ridiculous amount of time and cash in the long run. Fewer replacements mean less downtime, fewer emergency office supply runs, and more actual work getting done. Plus, it helps you avoid reprints, because when your boss wants clean contracts, kinda faded doesn't cut it. It's the difference between meh and nailed it every single time you hit print. Oh, and did we mention it's got an eco-conscious twist? Yep, 100% of HP's original toner cartridges contain recycled content. So you're not just printing smarter, you're also being a tiny hero for the planet. HP goes the extra mile by designing its cartridges to meet Ecolabel emissions guidelines, making your office air fresher and your conscience cleaner. It's pro-productivity with planet-friendly vibes. Nice flex, HP. In the end, this isn't just a toner, it's printing power redefined. Whether you're running a bustling business, remote work setup, or a high-output home office, the HP 58X is the smart play for anyone serious about print quality, security, and staying stocked longer. It's reliable, high-performance, eco-aware, and tech-tested to outshine every shady knockoff on the market. So go ahead, print like a pro, skip the mess, and own your productivity like never before.